We are at Watson Park. Okay, so we're here in Watson Farm. We're gonna do strawberry picking. Pero meron para sila dito madaming mga veggies for chop suey. Di ano, fam, bakal ka para chop suey. So this is what they have. And that, veggie. What are these? Oh, carrot sticks. Mas mahal pa kita. O di, janhing na lang. Janhing na. Oh wow, look at this. Oh, I like this because they're small. Oh, tanawa pala, oh. It's not big. Oh, they also have apple here?
There's also apple available.
Apple
now.
picking?
Yeah, if you want.
Oh, I see. How much is that?
Nandito na kami. We keep on talk. We enjoy talking.
It's only like an hour only. Yes, Popsy, what? What's that?
Dito na lang dali.
Ano yan, Dad? Ginger? Okay. Make pilit here.
One basket and share. I think this basket is big, right?
There you go. Akin naman. Thank you, Dad. Ano man yan, Dad? Oh! This one is 19, this one is 7, and this one is 36.
66. So,
And with a handle.
Kala niya Wednesday lang ngayon.
Ano ba ang, is this the entrance or to the washroom?
Which may buhay natin?
Oh my God. Doon tayo sa ano, sa other end of the wagon. Daddy, come here. Dito ka. Dito kami sa limousine namin. Oh, ayan, oh, mahaba. Ayan. Ito ang limousine dito sa farm. Where do you want to go? Lewis kalikil, no? Pensa ka ba yun? Ayaw lang na ulit.
Oh my God, it's too close.
Ito naman green.
Apple kami na.
Green naman ang apple. Baka daw may matura. Or ang siya nagatay klase. Ang siya nagatay klase na apple. Hindi pa ano, oh, time for picking. Oh, they're here. The strawberries. Wala man. Apura to iskuhi al grande ha. Kay mucho kita kontralo ki. Ay, ande ya busca dai.
Jutay lang.
Apura ya na maya to mucho ya. Dive ya to da.
Siya piset na naman.
Strawberry.
The farthest.
Ano? Yay! Dito na kami sa strawberry farm. The best ever strawberry farm in Toronto. All the fruits are cute. Ano? Hindi pa natanggal ng puso.
masyado maliliit pa, no? Oo nga. Pero natatanggal na yung ano mo, yung relo mo.
Hayaan mo na yung relo.
Dito na tayo. Pwede naman tikman, no?
Uy, ang sarap!
Ang sarap. In fairness, ay kuha na tayo.
Ito oh, I'm picking. And it's masarap. It's matamis. Hindi na bale, walang hugas-hugas.
Pwede mo tikman.
Mm.
Kasi kasama na sa bayad yan.
Mm. Talaga. Super. Giselle, where are you? Ang maliliit. Maliliit lang siya, but it's matamis. Aquí mucho, aquí mucho. They're small, but they're sweet.
Don't take the small one.
I'm eating this. Even the small ones are really sweet. I like it. Tiny ones, but they're sweet. They're full.
Kain na, friend. Kain na. Ha? Plan wedding.
Yes, open. Kasi we can get strawberries. I'm looking for big one.
Diba? Mami, we'll just $5.
Hirap magtrabaho sa farm. Kano ang sweldo sa isang araw? Pagod.
Pero alam mo yung...
Uy, pati hilaw na hila ako. Oh my Lord. Sorry. Kanila na yung ano.
Okay lang, sa akin.
Wala makita si Daddy.
Ulo, I have to wash my... no, it went on.
Where?
No, that's not even right.
Maybe you hit some.
Huh? Okay. 1 hour pa. 1 hour. Oh, you did not even really feel that. So it's fun to pick strawberries in this farm. Maliliit lang siya pero matamis. So hindi ka lugi sa binili mo, sa binayad mo. Watson Farm, tandaan. Nyam, nyam, nyam. Yeah! Strawberry picking at Watson Farm. Hindi lugi. Bye! Halos puno na. Ayan, oh, halos na. We still have to add pa to that. Strawberry fields forever. That's the proof that there are strawberries in the field because even our shoes got stained. So yung mga sapatos namin, wala na.
Dapat
Stained na.
black ang black shoes.
Dapat nagtsinelas na lang ako. Aming limousine. Waiting for us.
Dolo, malalaki. Kaya sila na utulaw.
Iba nag-apple picking pala. So nandito yung apple orchard sa kabila. Ang daming apples. Yay! Hindi kami kumuha ng apples. Welcome to our farm.
1, 2, 3.
Our apple orchard.
Dito sa may sayaw mo.
We're selling strawberries and some apples. She's not done picking. Ayan na, ready to go na kami. Balik na kami sa aming pinanggalingan.
Kasya pa to. Ito magaganda.
Kailangan ikasya yan, ha?
Kasya. Sino pa? Pwede kaya, we can ask her.
Hindi mas lejos tanto, no? Wow, they can tell us.
Yung October, pwede na mag-harvest.
Balik ulit dito, October.
October pa lang strawberry.
Oh! Hanggang October pala ang strawberry. Nag-enjoy ka, Dad?
Siyempre.
Did you enjoy, Sel? You could. But these shoes nag-enjoy. Oh, parking area Galepeki. Okay, we're here. Peace in a pot. Ano yan? Candy. That's candy. Candy yan. Candy. Ikaw, basta gusto. Ay, na peanut butter na cookies. Oh, dito sa kwan. Sa end of the ano. Yeah, there's ano, salted caramel. There's also peanut butter and white chocolate macadamia. Oatmeal raisin.
Chocolate macadamia.